This is Village Auto's 2015 Chrysler 200 Limited four-door sedan. Very clean two-owner vehicle. You have the rear defrost, rear backup camera, alloy wheels. Very sharp, well-maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 2.4 liter four-cylinder motor along with the 9-speed automatic transmission. Great deal for only $12,350. Let's get inside here for you. This one has a cloth interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. We do have a full power options, including the power driver's side seat, the AM/FM stereo with the Bluetooth and USB and auxiliary inputs, dual automatic climate control. The inputs are down there. Push button start. Steering wheel cruise control along with audio controls and info controls. This one has only 19,000 miles. Very clean, very well maintained car that runs and drives out absolutely perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2015 Chrysler 200 Limited home with you today.